as you can hear. Then when it comes to mixing the cake, the cake need to be high. Or when you're producing house music, like so full deep house, um, afro house, like let's you can put it out. But as we notice this what you can call it, the speedometer is spectrometer. I mean, it shows how much it is. This is the compression that you can do. But you can catch my next channel. I'll show you what more we put on it.